Young Machine, an automotive website in Japan, recently leaked that there will be a new Honda motorcycle with the name CB1000. Quoted from the Young Machine page, Honda's new motorcycle will reportedly be announced as a 2026 model. Reportedly, the CB1000 will be a special model. This CB1000 will implicitly replace the CB1300. The big bike does have obstacles to pass emission tests in the future. What's more, it has a heavy weight. Many riders are less interested. Hence, if the CB1000 becomes the successor to the CB1300, using the CB1000 Hornet as a base, it will not only pass the regulations, but also make riding easier due to its light weight. Regarding technology, the CB1000 might also get Honda's new e-clutch. Moreover, the automatic clutch system is planned to be adapted to other models. It is likely that the CB1000 will be introduced during the fall of 2025. This bike is suitable if Honda wants to continue the legacy of the CB model with a classic style. When viewed from its shape, the Honda CB1000 has a neo-sports cafe design that combines classic and modern elements. This design can be seen from the headlights that use LED technology and the sleek and aerodynamic body. The CB1000 is equipped with a 998cc, 4-cylinder inline, DOC, liquid-cooled engine. This engine is adapted from the Honda CBR1000RR engine, but has been customized to provide a more linear and comfortable performance for daily use. Maximum power produced is about 143 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute, and torque is about 104 nanometers at 8,250 revolutions per minute. The Honda CB1000 is equipped with a throttle-by-wire that allows various riding modes such as rain, standard, sport, and user to be customized. The CB1000 also features traction control, engine braking control, and ABS for safe and comfortable riding. The front suspension system uses an upside-down fork from Showa with adjustable preload, compression, and rebound damping. The rear suspension uses a monoshock with adjustable preload and rebound damping. This bike is perfect for riders who want high performance, but still comfortable for daily use and long-distance touring. The stylish design and advanced technology make the Honda CB1000 one of the popular choices in the naked sports bike segment. However, until now, the Japan-based motorcycle manufacturer has not issued a statement regarding the rumors of this motorcycle. But the CB1000 is predicted to be introduced
Thank you
during the fall
all
of
for
2025.
joining this event.